Hello friends, I take a new video of math. So today my exercise is 6.1. So let's start this exercise. Question is because to the fourth questions we have do already. There are total 7 questions. Okay. Now in this video we will do 3 questions. Okay. Questions 5. One of the acute angles of a right triangle is 40. Find the other acute angle. This is our next step of going the exercise level up. Now here are coming some different questions. So I will tell to you with correctly. So listen my voice. One of the fifth question is one of the acute angles of a right triangle is 40. After find the other acute angle. First acute angle. We know that acute angle of less to 9. Less to 90 degree is called acute, and more to 90 degree it is of 90 degree. Okay, more of 90 degrees are 180. So this we know how to find the second. That question was find the second other acute angle. Acute angle, it means we have given here hint. These are not more to the 90, it is less to the 90. Its hint is given, so we will do here. The 40 is one angle, so 90 minus by 40, it gives 50. Now the 50 is our other acute angle. Okay, it in this not any formula and any other ways. Now the 90 minus 40, after that 50. We only do that. So the question 5 have done. You can listen question it repeatedly. One of the acute angle of a right triangle is 40. One acute angle was told is 40. Second angle, how we find? It is on earth. So these are types here. The two more questions. So these are very easy. So listen question. One of the acute angles of a right triangle. Right triangle, that you know, one of the acute angle of a right triangle is 40. Find the other acute angle. Find other acute angle. So how we will find the other acute angle? That's I have told you. So now we come on the next question, that is 6. Question 6. One of the angles of a triangle has measure 50 and other two angles are equal. If there are one triangle is 50, series tell the other two angles are equals. Find these two angles. So it is very simple. Now one of the angles of a triangle has measure 50. A triangle measure to 50. After we do, and other two angles are equal. Now the more two angles we will find, these are equal. It's for hint out. Okay. Now find these two angles. We will find the two angles. The hint has given they are equal. It means their digits are same. Okay. So come on. Question 6. So two digit we will found. One digit has we have given that side 50. So we will do here x not any common quantity, so we take here x. These are very main questions. It will become your 10th in above more classes. So come on, the after that 50 is 180. So how to find them to x? Firstly, I have told you the 50 is in add. So when we take here, it will be in minus. It means subtract. So we do that x is equals to, when we subtract that 50, we throw that here. After that it will be made 130. Okay. After 130, x 2x is equals to 130. 2x we do when 2 multiply x is 2x. So these are makes from multiply. So it is in now the multiply. We will convert into the divide. So 2x is equals 130 divided by 2. So we know that 60 is 120. So 5 5 10. So 65. So our first angle 50, second 65, and third also 65. Because they have there are two angles that are equal. So these are come equal. So okay. I hope you understood them. So this question was very easy. If you know, then it's easy. If you don't know, then it's hard for you. So the seventh questions I tell to you is the three angles of a triangle are in ratio 1:2:1. Find all the angles of a triangle. Classify the triangle in two ways. So this very simple. Listen question repeatedly. The three angles of a triangle are into ratio 1:2:1. Find all the angles of the triangles. Classify the triangle into two ways. Here two ways is no necessary. It is option to you want to do or not. So firstly question 7, that shall know what's heading. Now see that we have give three angles which are 1:2:1. So we will do here. One is not coming in any quantity. So we will let the x and 2x and x is 180. 180, that's right. I have told you in backward questions. You can see. So x, 2x, x. These 2x, why come? Here you are seeing these are ratio 1:2:1. So 1 is not any let. We can do 2. We can do let. So we will do same as it is 2x. So come on the next. Firstly, the 2x is x is 2x. 2x is 4x. So simply here will become 4x is 180. So now when we divide them, our answer will become. It means when we do 4 multiply x is equals to come 4x. Yeah. So it's come this sign. So now we will different them. We will do a divide. 180 by 4. So firstly 4 for the 16, there left 2. And then 4 for the 16 and 4 5s are 20. Because the 18 minus 16, then 2 left and then 0 left is that I tell you 45. So the 45 was is answer. So very simple exercise. This exercise today are complete. Congratulations to know this exercise fully. It was exercise 6.1. That's are you seeing. So give your diamond time. Very thankful of you. I will obtain to you. Okay, bye. Thank you. Take care.